Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Ethereum update today. So, very big news is for Ethereum. I mean, this is history making because we have, Ethereum that got accepted. So, all Ethereum spot ETF has been approved by the SEC. All right. So, this is a big, huge, like a gigantic news to crypto, right? We're talking about Ethereum spot ETF. All of the spot ETF of Ethereum is being accepted by the SEC. It's a very big news. And also, I've actually said that Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF are approved. Let that sink in. Let's not underestimate this bull run. A storm and tornado are on their way. Bears won't even know what really hit them. So, if you don't know what ETF really are, well, consider this. You have a stock market where you can exchange fiat currencies like USD. You have the euro, pounds, and then you go out there, you can actually exchange, and it's pretty much worldwide. You have it everywhere. So but you only had it for the currencies of different countries. Now you have this thing for crypto. It's getting regulated. Back in the days, people said that crypto is just a spam, and it's something that local people are doing, but now it's actually getting into the bigger market. Okay, it's getting up there. Gold was actually going crazy when it got the ETF approval back in 1970s, I think, and we had a massive bull run. So this one right here, even on the Discord, I'm actually saying that I do believe that probably we're going to look at a very big bull run coming in next for crypto. And I just think that the message was above here somewhere, but I just don't kind of see where it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna pass this one. Let's actually get into this Ethereum chart pattern right here. So what I can say is that you have breaking support and resistances level, and this is going to be something like this. Okay, something like already that right over there. So if I drop in this trend line, and this is a pattern, by the way, so this trend line actually shows that Ethereum has broken up. It has actually successfully retested, and we're looking to break the all-time high very soon, and we're about to get to this technical target of 4,746. Now, June is going to be explosive, as you can see, but the thing is that, Ethereum getting approved actually means that we're getting 50x, we're getting maybe 100x, and we're getting probably 1000x. That's the effect that we have with Ethereum getting approved by the SEC. Now, I do have a private where I think I'm going to tell you some few coins that maybe, in my opinion, are going to be good for the next coming bull run. Some coins have actually pumped, but there are some coins that are really down the ground. Okay, and for this one, you have to join. There are 6 more days to close, and hopefully if you be a part of it today, message me on Discord, click on my name, give me a message, and you can join. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.